How to BUI$VINE, Vine Coin Token Crypto Coin. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial expert, and the information shared here does not constitute financial or investment advice. Always do your own research, DYOR, before making any investment decisions, as cryptocurrencies carry risk. How to buy Vine Coin Token, Vine. In this video, I'll show you how to buy the Vine Coin Token, which goes by the symbol Vine. Please keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor, and this video is not intended as investment advice. Always make sure to do your own research before investing in any project. Step 1. Stay informed. Before buying any cryptocurrency, it's important to stay updated with the latest news and developments about the project. Follow the official channels, such as their Discord or Telegram, and check their DApp account for updates. This will help ensure you're making an informed decision. Step 2. Token Performance Overview. The Vine Coin Token has been performing exceptionally well recently. It was created just 23 hours ago, and in the last 24 hours, it has increased by an impressive 213,000%. The token has a market cap of $81.6 million and a volume of $1.2 billion, which indicates a high level of market activity. However, it's important to note that while the liquidity is currently at 84%, it's always good to proceed cautiously when investing in new tokens, especially those that have just launched. Low liquidity can sometimes lead to higher volatility. Step 3. Set up your wallet. To buy the Vine Coin Token, you'll need a wallet that supports the Solana network. In this example, I'll be using Phantom Wallet. Open your Phantom Wallet and ensure you have enough Solana, SOL, in your wallet, as you'll need it to purchase the token. Navigate to the swap section of the wallet. Step 4. Add the token address. Copy the Vine Coin Token address, found on trusted sources such as CoinGecko or the official token page. In the Phantom Wallet, click on Swap and paste the copied token address. Select the amount of SOL you'd like to swap for Vine. The wallet will display how much Vine you'll receive based on the amount of SOL you're swapping. Step 5. Choose the provider. After entering the amount to swap, you can select a provider, such as Jupiter, a popular DX aggregator for Solana. However, always ensure you read all the information and terms before confirming the swap. Step 6. Confirm the swap. Once everything is set up and you've reviewed the details, click Swap. You will be redirected to the provider's page to confirm the transaction. After the transaction is complete, the Vine Coin Token will appear in your wallet. Step 7. Troubleshooting. If you face any issues during the transaction, you may need to adjust the slippage tolerance. You can change this setting to custom to resolve most common issues, as many failed transactions are caused by low slippage tolerance. Conclusion. That's it. You've now learned how to buy the Vine Coin Token, Vine. Remember, always be cautious when investing in cryptocurrencies, especially in projects that are still new and have low liquidity. Reminder. Always do your own research. Cryptocurrency investments carry risk, and prices can be highly volatile. Never invest more than you are willing to lose, and make sure to consult with a financial advisor if you are unsure about any investment. Disclaimer. Again, this video is for educational purposes only. The information provided is not intended as financial or investment advice. Always do your own research, DYOR, and consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.